Hey guys, we're back out in the garage. It's a nice 71 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 Celsius out there today in February. Kind of nice. Spring's coming a little early. Today what we're going to work on is we're going to work on trying to get this closing panel, like this one down here, into this spot. So let me start doing some work and I'll bring you back. I think probably next thing we're going to be doing is this heel board, and the problem I'm having with this heel board is it's wanting to rub right here, so I need to get creative and try to figure, I don't know if you can see or not, but there's a little hump up right there. This pulled in whenever I snap this together, so I think what I might end up having to do is I might end up having to cut that there and then pound that out, put this in, and then weld this thing back in. We'll see. I'll have to figure it out, but I'm not close to that yet. So next thing's gonna be this, and I'll bring you back whenever I get something done. Alrighty guys, we're back. I got the holes drilled. I got everything lined up good. There's a little bit of a gap there, but I'll just run a bead down in there and clean it up. We won't even ever know. This is nice and tight. I'll have to bend some in there whenever I do the spot welding on there, but everything's bolted up and actually looks real good. Got my tech screws in there to hold some in place. The Valance is all good. It's all lined up down here. Same thing here. I'll have to kind of do some beating to get that thing lined up in there. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I think I'm done a welder. I'll bring you back. Alrighty guys, we're back. I got this thing plug welded in. Got that kind of sloppily thing. That'll need to be a cleanup. I am not a welder, I am a grinder. The plug welds are in. Gonna go ahead and clean her up and get her primered, and I'll bring you back when I get it finished. It looks good, I think. A little warm, but yeah, awesome. Bring you back. Alrighty guys, we're back. I got this thing sanded down, cleaned up. This turned out fairly decent. I'm not 100% happy with it, but it works. This turned out real good. That I didn't really clean up real good because you're never gonna see that anyway. It's gonna be hidden in the back, but it's in. Next thing on the list is this heel board, and hopefully that should go good, smooth. We'll see. But yeah, I gotta figure out how to get that corner like I mentioned earlier, but yeah. This will be it for this video, but we're coming along. I only got about 4 more pieces before I can flip this thing over and take it off the rotisserie, so. But awesome. Y'all have a good one.